Welcome back to Zeroni Tunes, the place where we turn imagination and creativity into vibrant drawings full of energy and fun. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Dragon Ball Z to bring two iconic characters to life with our art style. We'll start with detailed sketches, build up strong outlines, and finish everything with bright and dynamic colors. So grab your pencils, markers, or whatever tools you love, because we're about to begin an exciting drawing journey together. Let's get right into the action and start creating some powerful Dragon Ball Z fan art. Now it's time to draw Goku in his base form, starting with the classic round face and his spiky black hair that everyone recognizes instantly. We add his eyes, eyebrows, and expression to capture his determined but friendly personality. Next, we sketch out his iconic orange GI outfit and position his body in a dynamic pose to match his fighting style. With the final line details added to the clothes and boots, our outline for Goku is complete and ready for color. We move on to coloring the hair with smooth, solid black tones to keep his classic appearance true to the series. Let's fill in Goku's iconic look by starting with the bright orange GI and deep blue wristbands, belt, and boots. Adding shadows to his clothing and skin helps the character pop and gives him a more energetic 3D look. With the finishing highlights and final color touches, our Goku artwork is complete and full of life. We're starting with Gogeta in his Super Saiyan blue form, sketching out the basic head shape to establish his strong and confident expression. Next, we draw his upper body and iconic fusion vest, giving his pose a dynamic and powerful stance. With the legs, boots, and final details added, the outline of our Gogeta fan art is now fully taking shape. Let's bring Gogeta to life by starting with the bright orange vest and the cool blue tones for his fusion outfit. Now we deepen the shadows on his clothes and skin to make the character stand out with more depth and realism. We move into the hair, adding strong blue shades to capture the glowing Super Saiyan blue effect. Final highlights and color touches finish our Gogeta drawing, making him look bold, powerful, and full of energy. And that completes today's Zeroni Tunes art session, where we recreated two legendary Dragon Ball Z characters from sketch to color. Gogeta in his Super Saiyan blue form and Goku in his classic base form both turned out vibrant and full of personality. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel for more creative art adventures. Feel free to share your own versions or your favorite Dragon Ball characters in the comments below. Thanks for watching Zeroni Tunes, and I'll see you in the next powerful drawing episode.